Grabe, fan side ng Angeles City, Kutkut ay grabe. Ang daming pagkain. Ito yung literal na talagang nagpapatong-patong na yung mga tindahan nila para sa atin. Literal na fiesta sa Angeles City.
Car, but we hit the road. Doesn't matter where we go and destination or no. I don't care where the motor stops. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it right now, in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Baby, I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah.
First of all, thank you man po, King Dinglangan family, kang boss Sir Mayor po, akong Ma'am Lee, pati Ma'am Abby, thank you man po, King Tiwala BNU. So thank you po, Merzon and Son family po, mga managers and also employees po.
I could dance with you beneath the stars. Cause when I want it, then I want it, yeah, I want you. Everything stops when you move like that. And I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do, cause right now I'm in it.
Congratulations, Fanside!
Yes, ayun guys, congratulations fan side Ningnangan, Kutkut Angeles City for opening. And dito sa table namin, ayan, full table kasama natin family ni Budang. Hi Buds! Ayun, so if I'm not mistaken, ito yung parang 22nd branch all across Luzon. Anyway, so on our table, ito po yon. Earlier guys, na-witness natin yung kanilang ribbon cutting, yung blessing, yung inauguration, and speeches po ng mga owners sa mga nagre-represent po dito. So we would like to congratulate them and we wish them more power. And of course, syempre, yung mga taga-Angeles, nadagdagan po yung mga pinupuntahan ninyong Ningnangan. And this is at Kutkut Angeles City. Actually, yung location niya is along Bilang Friendship Highway, Kutkut, right after po nung Porac Angeles flyover. Siguro mga 2 minutes.
The right side, no?
Right side po, makakarating po kayo dito. Okay, so naiinggit na ako kasi kumakain ng mga kasama natin. Tayo na!
Crispy pata from Fanside Ningnangan. I love it.
Fanside Ningnangan. Thank you.